Today, we're diving deep into the much-anticipated Garmin Forerunner 975, the next-generation fitness watch that has the running, cycling, and triathlon communities buzzing with excitement. If you're a fitness enthusiast who thrives on cutting-edge, wearable technology, you won't want to miss this comprehensive breakdown of what the Forerunner 975 is expected to bring to the table. With leaks and rumors gaining traction, speculation is at an all-time high. The evolution of the Garmin Forerunner series. Before we delve into the Forerunner 975, it's essential to understand the impressive legacy of the Forerunner lineup. Over the years, Garmin has revolutionized its GPS sports watches from bulky, basic tracking devices to sleek, feature-packed fitness companions. The Forerunner 965, released in 2023, was a game-changer, introducing an AMOLED display, enhanced training, analytics, and a sophisticated design. However, it wasn't without its flaws. Battery life limitations. While solid, it wasn't the best in class. Premium price. High costs made it inaccessible to some fitness enthusiasts. Limited endurance appeal. Not ideal for ultra-endurance athletes. The Forerunner 975 aims to address these issues while pushing the boundaries of wearable fitness technology. First clues. The FCC leak, the first credible evidence of the Forerunner 975's existence, emerged from FCC filings. While the documents didn't explicitly name the model, design patterns and internal coding strongly indicated its place within the Forerunner lineup. Industry insiders quickly connected the dots, concluding that this was, in fact, the Forerunner 975. Expected release. Date based on Garmin's historical release cycles, experts predict the Forerunner 975 will launch between April and June 2025, aligning with the peak of the triathlon season. This timing follows Garmin's strategy of unveiling flagship endurance wearables just before the most competitive racing season begins. Expected features and upgrades. The Forerunner 975 is expected to deliver significant advancements in performance tracking. Here's what could be in store. Enhanced running dynamics. Stride length analysis. Improves pacing strategies. Ground contact time measurements. Helps optimize running form. Vertical oscillation tracking. Reduces wasted energy. Real-time feedback provides insights to enhance every run. Advanced heart rate and VO2 max monitoring, more accurate VO2 max estimates, utilizing advanced heart rate variability (HRV) data. New heart rate sensor technology, potentially featuring Elevate 5 or ECG functionality for high-intensity monitoring. Better training load analytics, optimizes workouts and prevents overtraining. AI-driven training recommendations, offers insights on when to train and when to rest. Battery life. Solar charging and optimization battery performance is a critical aspect of any fitness watch, and the Forerunner 975 is rumored to introduce solar charging capabilities similar to the Garmin Fenix and Enduro series. This could mean extended GPS mode usage, less time charging, more time training, optimized power management, tailored for ultra-endurance athletes, improved performance for marathon runners and triathletes, a game changer for those pushing limits. AI-powered training and coaching. Tools artificial intelligence is transforming wearable technology, and Garmin is embracing the shift. The Forerunner 975 could introduce real-time stamina tracking, displays how much energy remains during workouts. Adaptive training plans, adjusts dynamically based on performance and fatigue. Predictive race time estimations, provides accurate finishing time projections, enhanced GPS accuracy, and mapping for outdoor athletes. Precise GPS tracking is crucial. Garmin is expected to improve location accuracy with multi-band GNSS support, enhances signal reception in urban areas, forests, and canyons. Turn-by-turn navigation, step-by-step guidance on unfamiliar routes. Expanded topographic maps, ideal for trail runners, hikers, and cyclists. Design and build familiar, yet improved. The Forerunner 975 is rumored to retain the lightweight, performance-driven build of the 965 while introducing better durability and weather sealing, more resilience in extreme conditions. Higher contrast. AMOLED display, potential OLED upgrade in 2026, more intuitive UI, smoother animations, and faster responsiveness. Potential Forerunner 975S version, a smaller variant for compact wrists. Storage, smart features, and connectivity. One of the biggest user complaints about the 965 was its limited 8GB storage. The 975 is expected to improve with 16GB or 32GB storage options, more room for workouts, maps, and media, Bluetooth calling support, answer calls directly from the watch, voice assistant integration, hands-free assistance, built-in speaker and microphone, enhanced communication, standalone music storage, phone-free workouts. Potential Garmin Pay removal. A surprising rumor suggests that Garmin Pay might be removed from the Forerunner 975. Theories behind this decision include prioritization of performance over convenience, a shift toward ultra-athlete needs. Battery optimization concerns. Removing Garmin Pay could extend battery life. Regional demand variations. Some markets may not prioritize contactless payments, if yes. True, this might disappoint users who rely on Garmin Pay for transactions during their workouts. Expected pricing, premium, yet justifiable, the Forerunner. 965 launched at $599 to $649, and with the added features, the Forerunner 975 is likely to be priced around $649 to $699. While this is still significantly cheaper than the Fenix 7X or Epix 2, which exceed $1,000, it represents a strong value for elite athletes. Final thoughts. Should you upgrade? The Garmin Forerunner 975 is shaping up to be the most advanced Forerunner yet. It builds upon the strengths of the 965 while addressing key pain points: superior battery life with solar charging, AI-driven training and coaching tools, enhanced GPS accuracy and mapping, expanded storage, and improved smartwatch functionality. However, its premium price tag may not appeal to casual users, who might find better value in models like the Forerunner 265 or Garmin Venue series. So, are you planning to upgrade or waiting for the Forerunner 976? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Stay tuned for more updates and keep pushing your limits. Thanks for watching Technology in the Future.